कैमरे पर दो फोर्सेस एक्ट कर रही हैं. The weight acting downward, you are given the mass of the drone, that is 1.2 kg. So 1.2 kg is the mass, gravity is 9.8, so the weight of the drone camera is 1.2 into 9.8, and this weight is balanced by air lift. So the force exerted by air, it is equal to weight of the drone. And now using the equation of force is the rate of change of momentum, and this time is multiplied with force, and change of momentum is mass into final velocity minus initial velocity. Force, it is equal to the weight of the drone, that is 1.2 into 9.8. Time, so time value is given, it is 1 second. And then mass of each propeller of air pushed downward, it is 0.4 kg. This 0.4 kg is each propeller mass of air pushed downward. So it is for one propeller, and there are four propeller. So this mass 0.4 kg is multiplied with 4. We have to calculate final velocity, and it is given that initial velocity is 0, stationary, you can consider, and then you can calculate the value of v, and this value of v is 1.2, it is weight, time is 1 second, mass of air is 0.4 kg, and for 4 propellers it is multiplied with 4, so the final answer is 7.36. 7.36, and it is a very difficult question really.